Hey guys, Meanix, I'm here, and I return for another episode of STG, something Galaxy, and I am here to show you all the props, some of the props and little characters that I'm going to use throughout the series, to use in my videos. First, I'm going to show off the characters. It's kind of dumb using animate objects and stuff instead of something that's in the game. But hey, what do you gotta do? First, I'd like you to beat Roboy. This is a guy made out of Legos. He's pretty much made entirely out of Legos, actually. Here, just give it a close up look at him. He has movable feet joints. Really nice, very nice. His arms can go up and down. He does have elbows. Sometimes it's hard to see. And these are blasters on his fingertips. But of course, sorry. There's a mask up here. There's a visor, and yeah, Roboboy. Really cool guy. I like him. Shoulder pads up here for like when he gets into battle. These back here are lightning summoners. He can summon lightning and then shoot them out of his blasters in his hands. Yeah, that's Roboboy. Get him back in stand position. Next up, we have the Chacters. The Chacters. This is one of the many vehicles I'll be using in my stop motion animations. Once I get the hang of putting this on YouTube, so yeah, I'm gonna need a lot of footage for this, especially because stop motion animation is pretty hard. No, oh god, it broke. Yeah, that seriously just happened. Whoops. Yeah. I'll just put them back together. If you don't mind, yeah. Things like this do happen, so are you ready for the worst of the wear? Anyway. He's reassembled, and he can actually take on a slightly humanoid shape. And you see this joint right here? I don't know if you see that. But, you see that joint right there? Well, this could actually make it flip over and go into attack tank mode. And if you flip it around here, there's actually one gigantic rocket engine sitting in the back. Very useful. So, normally, it goes like this, with the propeller spinning. When it's like this, you guys saw that. You guys saw that. He's super fast with a gigantic arsenal of weapons. So yeah, that's helicopter. That's Helizord. Alright, so that does it for the characters. Now for the props. Oh, there's one more. We also have this guy. Crap. No, this guy's a crap. He's actually a little dog that's going to appear in some episode of. I don't know what to name him. If you guys could leave comments in the section below, and in my next video, I will give this guy a special appearance, along with some other things I want to tell you guys, and I will reveal this guy's name for the rest of the time he shows up on the channel or is mentioned. So yeah, it's going to be a contest, and it ends by the by the way, the end mark or the end of the naming contest will be October 26th. October 26th, this Saturday. It's pretty much in 6 days. So Rich, you have six. So you have 6 full days to submit your entries of what you think this guy's name should be. And that, well, actually no. Let me boost it up a little bit. You're going to have a week and in 4 days, pretty much you have until Halloween to guess this guy's name. So yeah, that does it for the characters, and you're gonna get a name, buddy. You're gonna get named. Well, even if there's not that many viewers on that's gonna watch this video, the one that's mentioned the most will be pretty much the name. But if all of them have the same amount, if some have like or like have the same one, like every single one that's mentioned, different name is mentioned at least once. The one that I like the most will be featured as his name. So yeah, that goes for that. Remember, end mark is the dead mark. The deadline is, well, this Halloween. Now for props. I got that out of the system. Wow, 6 minutes. Anyway, here's the first prop. Looks like an Xbox controller, but we actually use it as a map. It's pretty much for, like, you know, post signs or something like that. You know, go like this. It's just like showing off, and it's my actual Xbox controller, so whoop-de-doo. Anyway, so we use this. You know that. It's also used as it's also used as something like it's also going to be used as different things for skits, like Portal in Real Life or something, you know, that kind of thing. Anyway, this is actually a cellular device. You can choose holographic images and then launch them right into thin air. It's also used as a contacting device, of course. And it can be used to summon armor, gear, and weapons. That is really cool. Now we're getting into the big stuff. Big characters and big gadgets. First, we have this big ball. Let me just throw myself into the thing. Now, it's supposed to be Wolverine claws, but actually electrocuting claws. So whatever this thing pierces gets electrocuted badly. There's supposed to be sparks in here that send electrical shoots. So whoever gets stabbed by this thing is pretty much screwed. Oh, good God. That's it for the electrocuting claws. And we have the biggest character of them all. I know I said I was done with characters, but not yet. Meet Advanced Robot. You won't see this guy until I do a certain skip, but he is here, mind you, so let's just compare them. There's an obvious difference. Actually, I'm gonna back this up, put it at the floor, just move this chair away. Hope you guys are okay with this. I'm actually gonna show you the size differences. I'm actually gonna show you some of the differences between these two toys. One, this guy's huge, this guy's tiny. This guy's easier to carry. This guy's kinda heavy, or at the least bit. It takes more force to like pick this guy up for a kid. This guy has a turnable head and a flip down visor. This guy has no articulation like that. What is this? Actually, this guy can pretty much do that, except he can do that. Oh crap! Yeah, he's kind of back. He moves back sometimes. Plus, how else can you get from that? So yeah, this this guy is literally just going to be upgraded into this. Here's how it's going to fit in. His legs are going to turn up like this. Then it's going to go like that. And then the entire thing just plugs in. And then the rest of the armor builds around it. And then BAM! You got this son of a gun. So yeah, this guy, of course, when I put him on display in some of my videos, it's just going to be like actually displaying it as a toy. Not just, it's actually going to be displayed as armor for some of the skips. And compared to this guy, he's going to be in rest mode. And so yeah, you really have to fight some of these joints, especially because they come off so easily. It's ridiculous. Anyway, yeah. Ugh. That is all, you guys, and as always, reach for the stars. I'm gonna make that my ending quote. Oh god, never. Let me just get into an awesome pose and reach for the stars.